All right, everybody, we are here at the Fenton Fire Hall in Fenton, Michigan. This is a restaurant, and we have an elevator. This goes up to the rooftop. ThyssenKrupp, say before. Holy crap, this is a MRL traction. Wow, I was not expecting that. All right, there's copyrighted music out here, but we'll talk over it. Here's a down chime. All right, now we're gonna go down. Good song, by the way, out there that's playing, but gotta talk over it, unfortunately. Let's go back down. Let's get a cab view. It's a nice elevator, very nice actually, for a restaurant elevator. Noisy door operator, that's for sure. All right, now we're gonna head back down. I'll talk over the music just for the heck of it. Door close button works after a certain period of time. Let's go back down. All right, and that will be it. Here's the machine room, I believe. Maybe, maybe not. All right, that'll be it.